Welcome to the Scratch, Session 3.
So Matt, what are we going to learn today?
Today we are going to explore more about events and motion blocks, and their subblocks. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Let us start our session and discuss the events block. As we have already explored in the last session, it is mainly used to activate code. Here, we can see the subblock of the event block. Let's discuss the function of each subblocks. Event blocks. It is used to activate the code. When green flag clicked. This block is used to run the code when the flag is clicked. When space key pressed. This block will run the script when the specified key is pressed. When this sprite clicked. It will run the script when the sprite is clicked.
Yes, Chris, I think you have told me about these in the last session as well.
Yes, as I mentioned earlier, the motion blocks are responsible for the movement of the sprite.
Yes, Matt, I remember, and we have used some of these blocks in the last session for performing the activity. Let me explain the function of these blocks.
Okay, Chris.
In the last session's activity we have used the move block of motion, which makes the sprite move a defined number of steps, in both forward and backward directions.
Good, Chris. Now let me share the functions of other subblocks of motion blocks in detail. Move steps block. Makes the sprite move a defined number of steps, in both forward and backward direction. Turn clockwise. It turns the sprite in a clockwise direction to specified degree. Turn anti-clockwise. It turns the sprite in an anti-clockwise direction. Go to random position. This block moves the sprite to a random position or is indicated by the mouse pointer. Go to X and Y position. You can put any number in X and Y coordinates to move the sprite in different positions. Glide seconds to random position. This block glides the sprite slowly towards the mouse pointer or to some random position in specified time. Glide seconds to X and Y position. You can put any number in X and Y coordinates, and this block glides the sprite slowly towards the specified X and Y position in specified time. Point in direction. This block sets the direction of the sprite at a specified angle. Point towards. It sets the direction of the sprite towards the mouse pointer. Change X by. It changes the X position by a specified value. Set X to. It sets the X coordinate position of sprite. Change Y by. It changes the Y position by a specified value. Set Y to. It sets the Y coordinate position of sprite. If on edge bounce. This block makes the sprite bounce back if sprite touches the edge at this stage. Set rotation style. This block allows you to select the rotation style. X position, Y position and direction. When these blocks are clicked, the exact value of X, Y coordinates and direction will be displayed on the view screen. Chris, hope now you know about the events and motion blocks.
Yes, Matt, I think now I am ready to use these blocks in my activities.
Activity time. Navigation of sprite. Go to the Project Name tab. Write the project name as Navigation of Sprite. Then click on File option in the menu bar. And now click on Save Now. Click on the Events block. And then drag and drop the When Flag Clicked block on the script area. Click on the Motion block. I'll drag and drop the Move block on the script area. Then make changes in value, given in the box, observe the variation, and set it to 30. Now, drag and drop the turn clockwise block on the script area. Then click on the green flag and you will see that the sprite will move 30 steps and turns at 15-degree angle in clockwise direction. Now remove the turn clockwise block by drag and drop, as shown here. Drag and drop the turn anti-clockwise block on the script area, and make sure it will attach with the above code. And then click on the green flag, and you can see that the sprite will move 30 steps and turns at 15-degree angle in anti-clockwise direction.